Atmic Yoga presents 30 minutes daily yoga practice with me, Ranjani, a certified and registered yoga teacher. Let's begin with the warm-ups. Sit comfortably in Vajrasana or in any seated posture. We'll do the neck warm-ups. Inhale, turn towards your right. Exhale, come back to the center. Inhale, turn towards your left. Repeat this practice for 3 counts. Do it slowly and gently and feel the stretch in your neck muscles while turning your head left and right. Now the second stretch for the neck. Inhale, look up at the ceiling, and exhale, bend down. Your chin should touch the chest. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Repeat this and feel the stretch in the front and back area of the neck muscles. Relax and stand up to perform the shoulder stretches. Swing your arms to the front and back, crossing your hands in the front and trying to touch them at the back. Same way, swing your arms up and down. Do it for 3 to 5 counts on both the directions. Now we'll move on to the wrist rotations. Hold your arms parallel to the ground. Make a fist with your fingers and rotate your wrist in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions for 3 to 5 counts. Relax. Now wide open your legs and we'll perform the hip rotations. All these basic warm-ups have been given as a separate video, for which the link will be given in the description box. Rotate your hips in clockwise and anti-clockwise for 3 counts each side and feel the stretch in your hamstrings and your hip muscles. Make circles with your hip. With practice, you can make wider circles. Relax, and now we'll perform the knee rotations. Keep your feet together, bend forward in L shape and keep your palms on your knees and make circles with your knees. 3 times in the clockwise direction and 3 times in the anti-clockwise direction. This is very helpful to loosen up the knee joints. Relax and sit in butterfly posture. Bend your knees and press the soles of your feet together, interlacing your fingers around the toes of your feet. Lengthen your spine and broaden across your chest and start flapping your legs. One can do 20 to 50 counts of flap at a stretch. This is a classical hip opener which is suitable for all levels of practitioners. This stretches the inner thighs, groins and knees and also helps in weight loss. Keep your spine straight throughout the practice and do normal breathing. Do not hold the breath. Move your legs up and down as much as you feel comfortable and slowly press your palms against your knees and lean forward with your spine straight. Feel the stretch and hold them for a few seconds and flap again. This pose is one beautiful pose for women as it soothes menstrual discomfort, helps relieve the symptoms of menopause and also helps in pregnancy to help easing the childbirth. So women out there, practice this pose every day. After flapping for a while, again stretch with your palms pressing on your knees. Now slowly keep your palms on the ground and move front and back to feel even more intense stretch. Once completing the butterfly stretch, hug your knees and stay in the pose for a while. Relax and sit with the legs outstretched, feet close together but not touching. Place the palms on the floor to the sides. Slightly lean back, keeping your back, neck and head comfortably straight. Slowly move both feet backward and forward, bending them from the ankle joints. Try to stretch the feet forward and backward and hold in each position for few seconds. After completing 3 counts, Keep the feet separated and slowly rotate both the feet from the ankles together in clockwise direction. After completing 3 counts, repeat the same in anti-clockwise direction. Relax. Stretch the arms in front of the body at shoulder level. Bend the hands backward from the wrist and press them to feel the stretch in your wrist. Repeat it once on both the hands and that completes our warm-up session. Now we'll perform couple of rounds of sun salutation. Step 1. Prayer pose. Inhale and exhale deeply. Inhale, raise your arms up to Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale and bend forward to Padahastasana. Now take your right leg back in Ashwasanchalasana. Take both the legs back and move into downward dog pose. Now slowly exhale and relax in child's pose. Now again inhale and move slowly into the cobra pose. Exhale and move into downward dog. Sending your chest towards your thighs and lengthen through your arms and shoulders. Now again move into Ashwashanchalasana by bringing your left leg to the front. Stay in the pose for a while and move into Padahastasana. Exhale and bend forward. Inhale and raise your arms up in Hasta Uttanasana. Relax in prayer pose, taking a couple of deep breaths. I am going to perform 4 rounds of sun salutation here. You can learn each and every step of the sun salutation in a detailed way in a different video. I have given the link in the description box below. If one finds difficult to complete 4 rounds of sun salutation with me, don't feel discouraged. Practice 1 or 2 rounds of sun salutation in a slower manner, holding each and every pose for a while. And with consistent practice, one can see much improvement and will be able to do multiple rounds. If you find it hard to remember all these poses, I'll be posting a free printable in my Instagram page. You can take a printout and paste it in front of you wherever you practice. After few weeks of practice, you will be memorizing this routine pretty quickly, especially if you can get down the first 4 poses. Keep breathing throughout the practice and do not hold your breath in the beginning stages. If you have a busy day and do not have time to practice all the asanas and pranayamams, one can at least perform a couple of rounds of sun salutation to reap the benefits. In the second round of sun salutation, I have taken my left leg back in the Ashwashanchalasana pose, making it as one set. Now the third round of sun salutation, inhale and exhale in prayer pose. Keep your hands supported at the hip and slightly bend backward for beginners. Now slowly exhale, keeping your knees bent and do the forward bending pose. Take your right leg back in Ashwashanchalasana and hold for a while. Now taking your left leg back and pushing yourself into downward dog pose, exhaling and pressing into your shoulders. Now slowly rest in child's pose. Take normal breathings. Now slowly inhale and move into cobra pose, opening up your chest for more oxygen. Exhale and push yourself into downward dog posture. Inhale and bring your left leg to the front. In Ashwashanchalasana, one can hold the pose on the fingers rather than on the palms. Now again exhaling and moving into forward bending. Inhale and back bend. Deep inhalation and exhalation in prayer pose. Now let's perform the fourth round, which completes our 2 sets of sun salutation in the left side leg. Inhale and exhale in prayer pose. One deep inhalation, raise your arms above your head and do back bend, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale and bend forward to forward bending pose, Padahastasana. Keep your spine straight and try to touch your toes. Take your left leg back in Ashwasanchalasana. Now slowly exhale and push into downward dog. One can stand on the toes if they are not able to keep their feet flat. Relax in child's pose for a couple of breaths. Inhale and move into cobra pose. Exhale and push yourself into downward dog. Bring your right leg to the front in Ashwasanchalasana. Now exhale and bend forward in Padahastasana. Inhale and raise your arms in Hasta Uttanasana. Finally, take a couple of deep breaths in prayer pose. Now let's move on to the asanas. Keeping both the feet together, stand straight for Tadasana. Keeping your palms wide open on the sides of your body. Relax your shoulders. Relax all your muscles. Keep your spine straight from the tailbone to the cervical bone. Look straight and breathe normally. If possible, try to close your eyes and stay in the position. If one feels dizzy, can avoid closing the eyes. Tadasana might seem simple, but it is a vital foundational pose for all other yoga asanas. Relax, and now we'll move on to the balancing asana, tree pose. From Tadasana, take a couple of deep breaths and slowly shift your weight to your left leg and begin to raise your right foot off the floor. Align the sole of your right foot with the inside of your left thigh. Raise your arms above your head in Anjali Mudra. Make sure the standing foot continues to point straight forward and press the right foot and the left inner thigh against each other. Balance and stay focused to stay on the position. One can hold the pose for 30 seconds and repeat in the opposite side. Tree pose is usually the first standing balancing pose for a yoga beginner. It is harder than it looks at first and will be different every day. So don't get frustrated if you wobble or even fall at first. One can practice near a wall to avoid falling on the ground. Tree pose strengthens the legs and core while opening the hips and stretching the inner thighs and groin muscles. It also improves the alertness and concentration. Slowly relax. Shake your legs to relax your muscles. Sit on the floor with your legs outstretched and shake your legs one more time to relax the muscles completely. Now we'll move on to the next posture. Yoga Mudrasana. Sit in Vajrasana and hold the hands behind, the right hand grasping the left wrist. Slowly exhale and bend forward. Arch the spine to touch the forehead to the ground. Tuck the abdomen in and relax the shoulders. Ensure no movement is seen below the waist. Maintain this position for 20 to 30 seconds. Breathe normally while staying in the pose. This asana improves the overall health of the abdomen and pelvic organs due to good blood circulation and drainage. Now slowly inhale, raise the head and straighten the back to return to the starting position. If you're not able to touch the forehead on the ground, use 1 or 2 blocks in front of you for support. Rather than lifting your glutes from your heels and then trying to touch the forehead on the ground, keep the blocks as a support in front of you. Sit on your heels and then rest your forehead on the block and then stay in the pose for 30 seconds. Adjust the block according to your flexibility and comfort level. This pose is having numerous benefits. It strengthens the digestive organs, alleviates the symptoms of constipation, cures male infertility problem, improves the lung capacity and much more. This also helps to alleviate the symptoms of stress and depression. Now slowly relax. Now we'll move on to the next posture, the Sphinx pose. Lie down flat on your stomach on your mat. Relax your body by taking a couple of deep breaths. Keep your legs together and your forearms flat on the floor, elbows under the shoulders, your fingers spread wide open and your palms pressing on the floor. Press the forearms down into the floor. Inhale and lift the head and chest off the floor, keeping the neck in line with the spine. We'll stay in the pose for a few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and slowly relax. Now we'll repeat the Sphinx pose one more time. Slowly raise your chest and stay in the pose. Sphinx pose is an easier version to the Cobra pose. This opens the chest and strengthens the core and also expands our lung capacity. Slowly relax. Relax yourself in the lying down position for a few seconds and then slowly roll down onto your sides. Get up and sit in Sukhasana for the next posture. Sit in comfortable position, preferably Sukhasana. Place your right hand on the floor, straight from the hip. Inhale and reach your left arm up and over your head. Come back to the center and slowly repeat the same in the opposite side. Stay in one side for a few seconds. Feel the stretch on the sides of your hip and then slowly switch side. Revolve your chest open towards the ceiling. Do not hold the breathing. Breathe normally. Inhale and lean towards your left side. Stay on the pose. Breathe slowly and deeply. Keep your hips grounded. Now slowly switch side. Lean towards your right side. As you lean your torso to the right, pull your rib cage to the left. This helps in opening the chest. Now again move on to the left side and to the right side. The seated side bend is a soothing yoga pose that stretches the neck, shoulders, back and obliques. Now again moving towards the left side. This pose helps to relax the mind and relieves stress and anxiety. Now slowly relax. To begin the beginner version of Ardha Matsyendrasana, keep your legs outstretched and sit straight with your spine erect. Now bend your right leg and place it near your left knee. Wrap the left arm around the right knee and pull the knee towards your chest. Slowly exhale, twisting towards your right shoulder. With the support of your right arm placed at the back, try to twist even more, where you will be able to see the backside wall. Stay in the pose for few seconds and now slowly relax. Now we'll repeat on the opposite side. Bend your left leg, wrap your right arm around your left leg and slowly twist towards the left shoulder. Hold the pose for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly relax. One twisting asana is a must in any yoga session. Relax your body and now we'll lie down in Shavasana. Get yourself comfortable in the lying down position. Now we'll do a quick body scan meditation to relax your mind and body. Take a couple of deep breaths and relax your mind and body. And now slowly close your eyes and start by focusing on your toes. Scrunch them up and release. Relax your ankles, calf muscles, knees and thigh muscles. Now slowly relax your pelvic area, your glutes and begin to notice any tension you may have in your back. Breathe deeply in and as you breathe out, slowly relax and release any tension you may have in your back muscles. Now relax your shoulders. Release the tension completely. Wonderful. Now it's time to relax your neck and jaw muscles. Take a deep breath in and as you breathe out, let go of any tension you're holding in your neck and jaw. Finally, the top of your head. I would like you to hunch your shoulders one last time, and as you release your shoulders, any remaining tension can sink down and flow out of you. Wonderful. Take few more deep breaths and enjoy this feeling of relaxation and calm for a little longer. Now slowly bring your attention back to the room. Begin noticing the sounds around you. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Roll to your right side and slowly get up. Now slowly sit in any comfortable position and we'll perform the belly breathing. Place one hand on your chest and the other hand on your belly. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4, making sure your belly is expanding and not your chest. And now slowly exhale for a count of 4. We'll continue this breathing cycle for few rounds. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Belly breathings are good for your lungs. Just feel how the stress is leaving your body and thus making your mind calm. Feel the sensations in your body while you feel your breath. Every cell, tissue, organ is getting fresh oxygen now. They are getting energized and healed from within. Be proud of yourself that you have recharged yourself and you have helped your body to get better than yesterday. The number 27 is considered as a supreme number and symbolizes compassion. This 27 minutes of yoga practice will give your body and mind the power it requires and also the relaxation that it craves for, thus providing the compassion for your body and mind. Now slowly keep your hands in Chin Mudra on your knees and visualize the positive things in your life and feel grateful for them. Be thankful for your life. No matter how you think it is a gift. So many individuals don't get a chance to make it as far as you did. Your friends, your parents, your family, your courage, your strength, your mind, your body, your senses, the things you love. Visualize everything and feel thankful for every positive situations in your life. Now slowly rub your hands and keep them on your eyes and thus completing the practice. Just promise yourself that no matter what the circumstances, you will be coming back here again tomorrow and practice yoga with me and rejuvenate yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. Nandri. If you like our content, please do consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever we post a new video. Also, share this content with your friends and family who might also get benefited by this video because sharing is caring.